Here we have Pirantishead from Mighty Morphin's Monster Wave. I'm not sure this is from Deluxe Wave 1 or what, but here it is. Here's the packaging, the Tom Whalen artwork. You can see the figure, and it says Mighty Morphin Pirantishead. There it is on the side. And it has the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers logo up the top. And then there is the 3D rendering, little Hasbro logo down there. And then here's what it looks like on this side. And so, let's find out. Able to stay. Okay, he's able to stand. So here we have the mouth. That's about as far as it goes, I guess. No, there we go. So I have that. And here's the arms. That's about as far as they go. Elbows. Double jointed elbows. Let's see the wrist, the back and forth, and then this one is the back and forth, and then the legs, double jointed legs. You see, it has the pins instead of the pinless, and the foot, and the rocking, and the tail, which has a movement right there. That looks like to be the only thing. And this is where the fin goes. So we'll put the fin in. So we'll take the fin out. And does it go that way or that way? No. It goes this way. It's not wanting to fit in there pretty well. Is it that way? No, it's got to be this way. I guess that's as far as it goes in. But there we have Pirantishead. We have his fist chucks. Very flexible. His lightning effect. And his other sets of hands, which are the kind of the clawing. So we have the right and the left. So let's see if we can put the fish chucks in his hand. twist them around. And there's his fish chucks. And there we go. There's Pirantishead. We can put him up next to another Ranger for size difference. There's Time Force Red against Pirantishead. Back here. And then we can move him back a little bit more. And then we can put it with Pirantishead and Pudgy Pig. Let's move him back a little bit. Here we go. So, that is it. Okay. So, that is Pirantishead. For the next unboxing review, we will have Power Rangers Lightning Collection in Space Silver with the Cycle. So, we will